Hey you guys, this is Kel and I'm back with another video. I know it's been a long time, but you know, life and stuff be happening. And I know y'all don't really care about update videos because I don't know, maybe y'all do, maybe you don't. If you let me know in the comment section if you really want to know what's going on in my life, but if not, I ain't gonna make one. So just know I've been adulting. I bought a house. Yay! Y'all don't care, but that's pretty much it. Really, son? Like right when I'm about to make the video, you decide to just decide to do overcast. But whatever, I'm gonna do this video anyway because I set all this up and I'm hot. So this is gonna happen. Now, I am here to review this hair that I have in my head. This is, let me get the paper. Expressions braid for a kinky loop in a color 2, I'm sorry, by the company Outre, I don't know, people say it all the different trade. I always say Outre. Now, cool. This is the hair. I put this hair in when I was in Atlanta, so that was about August 2nd maybe. Hey son, welcome back. So yeah, around August 2nd, today's August 17th. My birthday is in 3 days. Hey. Anyways, that's not what this video about. Now, I literally just took my scarf off for you guys so I can show y'all this here hair. Personally, I love this hair. Love this hair, but there are pros and cons to it. But let me just give y'all the simple facts of how I installed it and everything. Now, okay, this is the hair, you guys. Yeah. So, I already took some down. So this is the hair, and this is how it comes. This is all the other hair, but whatever. This is the hair. This is how it comes. It comes in this pretty spirally loop. Really, really pretty. It comes already looped together in this little rubber band situation. All you have to do is pull the hair apart, bow, and it pops on off, and then you just untwist it because it's kind of twisted together, and then your individual strands comes out like that. Boom. I put them all in my head like this. I did not put that whole bundle of hair like this in my head. To me, I feel like it is a waste of time because you're going to end up pulling it apart anyways. You're going to end up pulling it apart to make it look fuller, and then you end up having way too many bags of hair in your head. I use 3 full bags of hair, and this is the 4th pack, and I use 1 bundle, which is like 4 of these little stringy thingies. Yeah, that's how I did it. Now, my braid pattern, don't mind these edges, it's about to come down. I just wanted to show you guys the video. Now, I have 11 straight backs in the front and a beehive in the back. Shout out to Jessica for braiding my hair. I can't braid my hair, y'all, but why when you have friends that braid better than you? You know what I mean? So, let's get to the nitty-gritty of this here hair. Now, it is very pretty and I love it. We're gonna get to all of the pros. The pros of this hair is, one big pro for me was pretty much that when you get hair and you put it in, if you're a crochet person like me, which that is like my favorite protective styles besides wigs, you put it in your hair, about a week later, it is now flat. It's not as big as it was when you put it in. Of course, the hair starts condensing, and then, I'm sorry, y'all, my dog is moving around. It starts condensing because the shed hair starts webbing together, right? This hair does the same thing. It webs together, but it gets bigger. It gets so big, y'all. So big. Like, if you pull it apart, it's just getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Like, this hair really reminds me of the big, beautiful hair 4C Kinky, not the 4A. Although this is 4A Kinky, the 4C Kinky coily or 4C coily, that was my favorite big curly wig And this is what that looks like to me. If you like that, you will love this. This is very, very pretty. Now, those are pretty much the big pros for me. But of course, it's just crochet hair. The same cons still apply, which means that you have to pull this hair apart every day. So I literally just took my scarf off, so I want to show y'all what you have to do to this hair every single day. You're going to have to get up 5 minutes early, whatever, 10 minutes early, just so you can pull your dang on hair apart. Like, this is for real what I have to do every day. And of course, I don't know if you guys watched my Ruber curl video, which I'll link that somewhere in the cards, whatever that card pop up at. That is what this is. So pretty much the hair will condense together and it will web together, and it tangles, it mats, and it webs together. Once you pull the hair apart to make it more fuller and all that stuff, all that webbed hair is now shed hair, and now you just be pulling a whole bunch of hair out of your head. This is like, that was just one pass through, and I'm not even finished breaking it completely apart to like get all of the shed hair out of it. Like, it's going to be a lot of hair every day. So you need to just take time for that and understand that that will happen. Another thing, this hair comes, you usually don't have to cut it. When I put in my hair, I didn't have to cut it. I did frame my face a little bit, but that was pretty much it. You really don't have to cut this hair. It already comes in this pretty little thing or whatever, and it automatically like frames perfectly in like this pretty diva cut type of thing. But because this hair mats so bad, the ends of the hair kind of get balls on them, so you're going to have to cut that off. And that's pretty much it. I did do an invisible part method here, which I showed you guys how I did everything in my Jamaican bounce video. I will link that here. And that's the last video that I put up. Ugh. So yeah, I know it's been a while. But anyways, that's the last video that I put up. My braid pattern was a little different, but that's only because I braided my own hair. So when I braid my own hair, we getting the bare minimum, baby, and that's straight backs. With Jessica, she get a little bit more intricate. I love her. So yes, that is what this is. And you're gonna have to cut it because now you're pulling the hair apart and all this stuff. Now you got like these straight, straggly pieces. Y'all see that? You're gonna have to cut that off because that's not cute. And that's the last thing you want is to be, I'm just still pulling hair on my head. I know that is bad, but you're going to have to cut all of this off because that's not cute. So pretty much since I've had this hair on my head, I have cut it every day. And I have trimmed this hair every single day because that is what it does. It tangles and mats, and you have to pull up like this. Like when I was talking about the balls, this is one of the balls that you will get like just balled up. And so you need to cut those off because that's not cute. You don't want to be walking around looking like that. But it's only because you're wearing the hair every day. You have it attached to your head. So this is synthetic hair. It is not going to be the best hair, just letting you guys know right now. But it is very pretty, and it is kinky curly. So if you want that curly afro look, this is the hair for you. It is super, super pretty, and I love it, and it is full for me. I'm gonna show you guys the back. Okay, that's the back of the hair. I love this hair, y'all. It is really, really pretty. It's easy to do. You put your hair up at night, which I pineapple it at night, put my scarf on, go to sleep. My hair's so big that my scarf don't even come off. Like, that's a good thing too. Your scarf don't come off at night. And that's pretty much it. In the morning, yeah, you gotta fight with it a little bit. Yeah, you gotta cut it, pull the shed hair off. But that's pretty much it. It's not really that big of a deal. So it is a little manageable. Just a good 10 minutes at a time. So if you had your natural hair out, it'd probably be the same thing. So that is it for this hair, y'all. It's about to come down though, but I want to show you guys what it looked like. If I have time today after I take my hair down, I will be making other videos. So if you see this dress multiple times, that's cool. Y'all know why. But anyways, it was nice to see you guys again. Come on back, y'all. And thank you to all my new subscribers that I got. I really do appreciate y'all. I just got a lot of subscribers out of nowhere. I'm like, y'all, you see my last video was posted like a year ago? But anyways, thank you guys for joining me. And I appreciate you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video.